see, we have a damaged ladder on our blind. What we first do is tilt our blind, take our bottom plug out, just on the side where the ladder is broken. Okay. What we do then is we take our new ladder to replace it. And for the first two slats, they're locked in. So you thread the slat between the ladder. Then the next slat's on the way down, you just rest the slat on top of the ladder tape. That locks the blades in place, the top two do. Okay, right. Now we've got our new ladder all slipped in, ready to replace the one that's broken. What we do then is take our old ladder out. As you see here, I've unclipped it out of the barrel up in the head box. Take the old ladder out. What you do then is push the next one up through the hole in the bottom of the drum. Pull it up, and what you can do is use a pair of tweezers or use your fingers, and then you slide it. There is a groove on the top of your drum, and you lay it down its side and slide it into the slot there. That locks that one in. Okay, we've replaced the front one. Now we need to replace the back one. So what we do is the same. So we just slide this out, old ladder out. Okay, new ladder. Poke back up through the head box and through the hole, up through the top. It's a little bit more difficult with the back one. You need your tweezers for the back one because there's not as much room. Then you lay it down flat and slide it into the drum up the top. Okay, we've got our new ladder secured into the head box. What we do now is get the blind to actually be sitting nice and square. We can actually undo the knot in the bottom of the bottom rail, undo it, and pull it up through all the blades, right up to the top and out. Okay? Have a pair of scissors handy. What you then do is cut the old ladder out. So with the top one, just carefully, just snip them out, just like that, all the way down. Okay, what we can then do is actually record this, zigzagging between the blades and the ladder all the way down. Okay, through the bottom rail. Tie a knot and pull your cord through again, just like that. So now we've got have to set the bottom rail. Have a tape measure handy, hold it up there so you can actually see what the drop is that you need. What you do is lock your cord lock so the bottom rail is locked in place. Then you get some scissors or some snips and you cut the first two ladder tapes out. Be careful not to cut the cord down the sides. Okay. Then we have a crimp we put on the bottom. So what we do is slide it up along the ladder right up to the bottom of the bottom rail there. Get a pair of pliers And then you're setting your bottom rail. So you get your ladders so they're actually sitting even down below. Hold it secure, get your pliers, slide them up until it's a set length, then you crimp it off and then you pinch it just to lock it into place like that, okay? What we do then, snip off the excess, tilt our blind, put our bottom plug in, like that. And there you go, we've replaced our ladder tape in our blind.